I recently traded a Glock 19 for a Canik Mete SFT Black striker-fired pistol. I can tell you this thing is fast becoming my favorite gun. I'm going to show you just how accurate it is. I'm standing and shooting freehand from 9 yards at some paper targets. I'll get into the details about the gun a little bit later. Now let's go for the sound of metal targets giving instant feedback. The first thing I noticed was the co-witness optics ready slide out. I took advantage of this and put a crimson trace optic on it. It also has aggressive front and rear slide serrations for positive traction and handling. The slide stop release is low profile and it's ambidextrous. It doesn't interfere with your thumb while you're shooting. Placing a laser light under the barrel is a snap with the Picatinny under barrel rail. Attached is a calf Vic light laser that I put on this Canik, and it fits and works perfectly. I love this trigger. It has a bit of a take-up in the beginning, but once you get used to the short reset, it is easy to repeat and the pull will stay right on target. A side reversible mag release is great on any pistol, and this one has a great one. The mag releases from the well easier than any pistol I've ever owned. The speed mag well attachment is great for special loading if that's what you desire. 2 magazines came with it, a 20 rounder and an 18 rounder. I've had this pistol less than a week, and the more I learn about its character, the more accurate I get.